All right, so here it is. I'm replacing the PCV valve, but trying to find out where it was, because it's supposed to be where the oil fill is at. It's not. So one of my air lines is torn with an elbow boot. I got to figure out what's going on. So this is dry rotted, and this is a torn, busted in. So here it is on my Jeep Liberty. I'm replacing, well, the code came up PVC, well, the code came up PCV valve for my Jeep. And that's the only code that came up because I got that little engine service light on. So I'm trying to locate where it's at. They say it's supposed to be down here where the oil fill is, which it is not. So a 2006 all the way up to a 2009, they said that it's by the oil fill. Well, mine isn't there. This is a 2007. So all I was doing was looking for the air hose and figure out where the PCV valve is. And there isn't one. So the guy told me that it might be under the bottom. Yeah, Trey 57 get his hands dirty. So here it is right here. I go to that part that I just showed you in the picture. Here I go to check the lines to see where the PCV valve is, and I run into a line, this plastic line, which is ridiculous, Chrysler, and has the rubber elbow boot on it. So it goes from this side, tucks under here, and goes back there on that end. So from here, run it all the way under, all the way over to there. But the ends of the boots, what I showed you on the picture, was torn. So I'm going to have to replace those. And here is the clamp that goes on it, which I was ready to snap out because this fell down. This right here fell right down there. And luckily my hands were able to get down in there because I do got some big hands. So then I just found out that my alternator was replaced before. Not by me. I could do it, but I didn't put this on here because you can see that, and it was replaced in October of 2017. All right. So I'm gonna show y'all what it's like when I get this part on here.